the soft morning light, Hussein is about to put on his tiny slippers. Suddenly, he leaps back, eyes wide with surprise. "Ouch! You're tickling me!" Hussein exclaims. Bewildered, Hussein cries out in disbelief. "Appa! My slippers are talking!" Mirha enters, a skeptical expression on her face. She dismisses his claim. "No way! Slippers can't talk." In the cozy confines of her bedroom, Mirha slips into her fluffy slippers, a triumphant grin lighting up her face. The slippers, as if awakened, vibrate with an uncanny life of their own, ready to defy expectations. "Hey, walk slower, we're tired!" The slippers speak, their voices echoing through the room. Hussein, eyes wide, poses an unrelated query. "Do you like pizza?" Mia retorts with a playful question of her own. "Do you like dancing?" Mama walks into the living room, the air filled with the infectious joy of children's laughter. Hussein and Mirha lie on the floor, convulsing with laughter, their slippers scattered around them. Mama watches them, her expression a mix of amusement and suspicion. Mama asks, "I think you two are making mischief again."
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.